Page 259, this is the one at the bottom of the page called Bingo. Same kind of stuff. We're harmonizing. We've got to figure out what the chords are. So first, let's get the melody. 3 sharps. We're in the key of A major because it's ending on an A. 3 sharps. I'm guessing it's an A major. It's a good guess. We'll find out later. 2/4 time. I want to hear the melody. Okay, now the chords. I need a chord that fits the notes in the melody. I'm going to start out with a 1 chord and see if that works. It doesn't always work, but we'll see. Now the chords are A, the 5/7, the 4. See, those 3 you should know already because I've had those forever. But the 6 then, you're just taking the top note of the 1 chord up 1 here because that's the 6th chord. And we got the A on the bottom, so it's here. So it's 1 chord to a 6th chord, and then the 2 chord is just there, just up 1. You don't want to be up in here, you do that. I don't care how you finger it, just finger it. And then here, then what's that? Well, try the 1 chord first. Oops, that don't work. I can do a 2, or I can do a 5/7. So which sounds better? Well, first, let's try a 2. It'd be the first 2 full measures. Or, which sounds better? Neither one, actually. It's just, I'm gonna go with the 4 chord. Rather than a 2, I'm going to go with a 4 because it has the F sharp in it. The 2, the B just doesn't fit right here. So 5/7. Here I can do a 2 or a 4, whichever, and then here or here. 5/7 for measure 7. I didn't really use a 2 chord hardly at all. You really don't have to. I did the B sounding in there. Unless I want that sound here, maybe a. But I can get a B with a 5/7 chord because it's there. So I think the only time I used a 2 chord in this was major 6, maybe here. And that's for variety here because at that I could have done a 5/7 there too. So again, the last 2 measures, or the pickup to the last 2. It's pickup to measure 5. It's the 1. I can do that, and then here, because I'm doing both of these notes are in both of these chords, but I'm using 2 different chords for the variety. It's similar to what we did up above. So I'm doing a 2 chord on 6, measure 6, then a 5/7 chord for measure 7. Because again, I told you that the 5/7 leads into the 1. You'll find that in a lot of pieces. Where you'll also find that as it can go to a 4/5/7/1 here. And that's sort of what this is doing, a 4. So you think about those chord progressions when you're trying to figure out chords to things, and it may help you pick a chord. As far as the pattern goes, they're half notes, but you can try other patterns too. Broken chords. Try other patterns, experiment with it. You don't have to play notes all the time. You can have rests or you hear. Now they want you to transpose this to F major. So instead of A major, we're going to go down to F major. 2 notes down. Oh, this will be fun. Well, F major has one flat, a B flat. So we're playing all white keys except for B flats. The notes in the melody are going to go down 2 notes. Because we went from A to F, we're going to go down 2 notes. And if you can do that, you're thinking that. Yeah, remember the B flat, it's in F major. Here. But it's a good practice because we've done quite a bit of this, moving just 1 key up or down in the music. Now we're going 2. Good practice. So it's just the same difference. And the chords, well, it's in relation to F major. So we got a 1 chord, 5/7, 4 chord. The 6 chord is like a 1 chord with come up. And then the 2 chord is just, root position is fun. Well, you're just playing the same chord numbers, Roman numerals, to here. Here, maybe you want to be down here. I don't know where you want to be. Here. Anyway, you play around with it. Again, it takes time to experiment and try these things out. But again, the more you do it, the better the more familiar you'll become with it. It really will help if you want to improvise a lot. I don't want to improvise a lot, but maybe you do. You do it. Okay.